Hi everyone, today we will be preparing a classic Bengali Sunday lunch recipe, the Jhal Jhal chicken kosha, a spicy chicken curry perfect for Sunday afternoons. Here we are marinating the chicken with some salt, turmeric, green chilies, lemon juice. This lemon juice takes away the raw smell of the chicken, followed with some ginger garlic paste, some beaten curd, and a generous drizzle of mustard oil. This oil will help in tenderizing the chicken and also adds a distinct flavor to it, so important for the chicken kosha. Mix it all well and let it marinate for at least 2 hours. Meanwhile, we will prepare our masala base with some chopped onions. You can finely chop the onions and some tomato puree, along with some roughly chopped green chilies. Now we move on with the cooking. Chicken kosha is best prepared in mustard oil. Mustard oil has its own pungent smell and it lends a beautiful flavor to all Bengali dishes. Once the oil is hot, we can add in our whole spices. We'll first add the whole jeera, followed by some cardamom pods. Add your green chilies and finally add the chopped onions. Don't forget to add a teaspoon of sugar. This sugar helps in caramelizing the onion and in giving it a beautiful golden brown color. Once it starts browning, add in your ginger garlic paste and we will also add the tomato puree that we made. Once you see that the masala base starts releasing the oil, we will add in our dry masalas. Add the turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, some jeera powder, some dhania powder, and finally some salt. You can add a splash of water if you feel it becomes too dry, and once it reaches a perfect jam-like consistency, it means that your masalas are cooked and you're ready to put in the chicken. Add your chicken and mix it well. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Now, chicken kosha is a dish which is cooked slowly on low to medium heat. It's meant to be prepared with little to no water at all, hence it requires some patience. I'm adding some homemade garam masala here. Every Bengali household has its own version of this quintessential Bengali dish. You can always adjust the level of spice to your liking by adding a little more masalas or green chilies, but I always personally prefer a mild level of spice, otherwise all the other flavors tend to get lost. once your chicken is cooked, add in some coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves, and a good tablespoon of ghee. Mix it well and turn off your flames and keep it covered. Let it sit for a few minutes. Let the chicken absorb all the different flavors. Finally, serve it with some warm white rice and a salad of your choice. You don't need anything else to go with it. Thank you for watching.